Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsored product from Delta. This is Nicoli series pull down and bridge kitchen faucet. This has really nice unique design. You at least I never seen this before, this series that looks really cool. You can see here, as soon as you hold in your hand, this is how you would install it. The engraving here would face to you, and you see here you have the knobs are here. But they are very easy to operate, very smooth. You feel the quality right there as soon as you touch it. You don't need to push it hard, it just goes very smoothly without any effort. And on the top you see here it can just rotate around 360 without any problem. And over here you have this pull down. Here you can see you have this option to change, very easy. It's right under your fingertip. You can just easily switch between the options. And you can just clean the top with just touch of your fingers. So that is done. Once you are done, you will just let it go, and you can see it just sits right there. So you will just pull it down and you see it just sits back. So that's how it works. And I just wanted to show you guys for some installation stuff. So once you put it and install it, you will just connect these things here, and it will just click inside. And for the middle one, you would just connect this one just like that and complete your installation. And you have the screw set here. It just goes right underneath here. You have this plastic piece which helps the like sealing, so you would use this. Overall, it is really nice kitchen faucet. I really like the way it looks. The color looks nice. I unbox another color with this same model, the black one. You can take a look at that one as well. It looks really different. This one, based on your kitchen settings, you can either use this or take a look at the other colors, but the build quality, everything is the same. I really like it. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Thank you for watching.